Joining us right now for an inflation watch in his business is Jeff Pederson. He's the CEO of Cort. That's the furniture rental company that's owned by Berkshire Hathaway. Jeff, good morning. Thanks for being here.
Good morning. No, my pleasure.
Let's talk a little bit about this. For people who aren't familiar with Cort, you do furniture rentals for homes, for consumers, for businesses, and for events. I would guess the events business kind of dropped off a cliff during the pandemic. How have things gotten since then, and where do these three businesses stand at this point, the three branches that you're really dealing with?
Sure. No, the recovery's been pretty vibrant for us. I mean, obviously, the trade show and events business, once the pandemic hit, really shut down. There wasn't much that we could do. Folks just were not scheduling events, and trade shows weren't happening. Since the recovery, that business is back to about 70% of its pre-pandemic level, which has been great for us. The furniture rental business pretty much stayed intact. The office business, a downturn a little bit, but that's been roaring back as well. Our issues have really been making certain that we have proper supply. We probably could be doing more business today if the supply chains hadn't been as hampered as they were during the pandemic, but we're actually very pleased with how things have progressed.
What about inflation? How has that impacted your business?
Well, normally a little bit of inflation is actually, believe it or not, good for our business. It tends to make business folks make perhaps more temporary decisions than long-term decisions when it comes to office furniture or even on the relocation side with residential furniture. The impact on the trade show and events business is really less because those are really contracts that have been put in place pre-event. So whether you've got tremendous, cost push inflation issues or demand pull inflation issues, the trade show and events business is pretty well set year by year.
So if a little inflation is good for your business, what does 8.3 or 8.6% inflation mean for your business?
Well, we haven't really seen much change in the demand pull side so far, but we are spending an awful lot of time analyzing that to make certain that as we get additional costs passed on to us, that we're at least staying in check with our customers. We have a lot of relationships with multifamily housing REITs and in the trade show and events business with big event planners. And we need to make certain that what we're doing is sustainable, but keeping a very, very close eye on what's happening with the demand side.
The idea of a recession, I would imagine not just inflation, but the idea of a mild recession, that could probably help your business too. So when you hear Jay Powell, the Fed chairman, talk about how they're going to raise rates, even if it means that they put us in a recession, I guess recessions all come in different flavors. A mild recession, maybe not terrible. A stronger recession, bad news all the way around.
Yeah, long protracted recession, I don't think is good for any of us. But again, if what we're up against is a certain amount of interest rates rising, it does tend to be good for folks that are then going to make more short-term related or temporary decisions.